Hi, I'm Anne, and I'm a patient of Dr. Wix-Harris. So my under eyes looked kind of hollow and dark. It was definitely aging me, making me look older. So when I came in to see Dr. Wix-Harris, those were my concerns. My under eyes were sort of dark and I had some hollowing. She explained, a few different options, and ultimately what we went with was the microneedling with the PRP. So my understanding, at least, is that they draw your blood, so it's platelet-rich plasma, and it helps to sort of revitalize and restore and helps in healing in the area. So it was used, they put it on the surface, and then I think she injected a little bit as well. So right after, kind of swollen, a little bit of stinging, nothing horrible, but put some ice on it for that night. The next day almost looked like, Dr. Wix-Harris described it a little bit too, like you were crying a little bit, so puffy for a day or two, and then after that, sort of just back to normal. What I've seen is definitely less darkness. The skin has a better quality. Less wrinkling. I use a lot less concealer. I'm really happy with the results. I'm pretty picky about things, and this was something I was really happy with. I go to Dr. Wix-Harris. I'm really pleased with the results I get from her, but I've met many of the other doctors, and I would go to any of them.